everybody. How are you? How is the life? I'm pretty sure life could be more beautiful. Okay. Let me explain you what is my presentation for today. The ogling problem. Honestly speaking, it might be one of the problems for any man or even women. And this is the problem. This gentleman, Mr. A.B., is gazing or mesmerized, I don't know, to our subject, which is this easy or beautiful figure. The problem is that at what extent or at what distance, should Mr. A.B. stand to get the most out of this beautiful figure? Okay, now I'm going to solve this problem by mathematics or MATHEMAGIC. They are the same. Okay, let me start. Now I'm going to solve it mathematically. Okay, there is some angles. One of them is alpha in this illustration, and the other is beta. Okay, please take close attention. What is alpha and what is beta? I think we should find a solution for beta or x. As you see in this illustration, A, B, C is a right triangle. So I can write tangent alpha equals opposite to adjacent, or x, over A. Mr. AB is as tall as A. And as you see, there is a compound angle which consists of alpha plus beta. Okay, if you pay attention to A, D, E, which is a right triangle. In this triangle, tangent alpha plus beta equals opposite is DE, which is equal to BC or X, over AD. AD is the difference between A and B. So, instead of AD, I can write R or A minus B. And now, let me to extend this tangent. Tangent alpha plus beta, if we extend it, equals tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha times tangent beta equals x over A minus B. Now, tangent alpha equals x over R, and I substitute x over R instead of tangent alpha in this formula. So x over R plus tangent beta over 1 minus x over R times tangent beta equals x over R minus B. Now by cross multiplication, x times 1 minus x squared over A tangent beta equals R times x over R, or x, plus R times tangent beta minus B times x over R, or B over R, times x, minus B times tangent B, or minus B tangent beta. Okay, I simplify it, I remove this x with this x, and solve this formula for tangent beta. Okay, so tangent beta, I factor of tangent beta, it's a factorization, times x squared over R. plus R minus B equals E over A times X, or tangent beta equals B times X over X squared plus R squared minus RB. Here, tangent beta is a function of X, and we want to maximize this beta to get the out of this beauty part. So now there is the application of derivation. Okay, this is a fraction, and I'm going to calculate the first derivative of this fraction. Okay, so this is a derivation of fraction equals derivation of bx or b times x squared plus r squared minus rb minus the derivation of x squared is 2x times the x over x squared plus r squared minus rb squared. For simplicity, I call it v squared. Okay, for maximizing, I put it equal to 0, so the up should be 0, or bx squared plus a2b minus ab2 minus 2bx squared equals 0, or bx squared equals ab squared minus I squared b, or x squared equals ab. I'm dividing by b both sides minus a squared. So x equals a times a minus b. This is the final answer. Okay, let me clarify it by an example. It's too rigid. You can forget all the I don't know calculation I have done and just keep in your mind the answer. Let's say this gentleman, Mr. A.B., is as tall as 1.96 meter. And our beautiful subject, I mean these pictures, 1, B, is 0.96 meter. If I substitute these two figures in this formula, x equals radical 1.96 times a minus b. It means 1.96 minus 0.96. After simplification, x equals 1.96, or exactly 1.4 meter. Okay, let me interpret the answer by this famous picture. You see here, this is a problem for Mr. Obama, because this great man is boring to get the most out of this picturesque figure. This distance from Mr. Obama to this lady is less than 1.5 meter. Whereas you see that Mr. Sarkozy is in the right place. The place from Mr. Sarkozy to subject is 1.5 meter. And now we all understand why, when it comes to beautiful subject, Mr. Sarkozy is far more successful than his counterpart, Mr. Obama. It is just one simple usage of what I call MATHEMAGIC, which is widely used in our daily life. Thank you very much.